All right, step 45 says put 2 pocket holes on the back side of each of the rails, A and B for the top rail and A and C for the bottom rail. Okay, let me explain that. So first of all, we're going to look over here, and I've got our project sitting on a Craig jig clamping table. Okay, it's going to make things a little bit easier for us to keep things flat. Do you have to use it? No, it does make your life easier. It can. Okay, especially when we start clamping. For this part, you don't have to have it, but I thought I'd just use it for now. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to show you is, if you notice, all my jointed edges are on the inside. Okay, so when you put it together, put them all on the inside. Put your good faces up for right now. Okay, when we put the pocket holes in, the pocket holes are only going on the rails. Okay, we are not touching the stiles with the pocket holes. So what I'm going to do from here, okay, my good faces, I put the word out on all of them. Okay, and so now I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to put an X here. I'm going to put an X here. Okay, I'm going to flip my top rail over. I'm going to put an X here, and I'm going to put an X here. All right, so what I did is I marked them for our Craig jig. Okay, so with this here now, one thing about it, I do, there is no 13/16 setup on this. So what I would do, I would set this to be at 7/8 of an inch. I'd rather have it not go quite deep enough and then go too deep. Okay, so I set that at 7/8. Same thing with our drill bits over here. All right, find one that's 7/8 or take and we will adjust it so it is 7/8. All right. So from here, okay, and why I put the X's on, just remember that the X's will go down into the inside. Now, what did it mean by A and B and A and C? Okay, so if I center this, on my bottom rail, the wider one, I'm going to go A and C. So if you look here, you can see an A and you can see a C. All right, so I'll flip it over after that, clamp it back down, do A and C again. Then I'll come over here with my top rail. Okay, X goes down inside, and I'm going to center it between the A and the B on the top rails. Okay, so that's what it means by A and C and A and B. Okay, so we'll put those in and then we'll go on to the next step.